Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Gmail to Windows 11 or 10 taskbar using Vivaldi browser. For this, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC, then visit gmail.com and sign into your account. After that, click on this one Start button and search for Vivaldi. In the search results, right click on the Vivaldi app. Select open file location. Again right click on this one shortcut. Select open file location. Now you will find Vivaldi application. Now select it. Press shift key on the keyboard and hold it and then right click on this one Vivaldi application. In the pop-up select copy as path. Now right click on the free space on the desktop. Select new and then shortcut option. Paste the copied path, then put one space, then hyphen and type URL. Again put one space. Now copy the Gmail address from the Vivaldi browser and paste it at the end in the location box. Then click on this one next button. Meet Gmail and then click on this one finish button. Now select this one newly created desktop shortcut. Press and hold shift key on the keyboard and right click on this one shortcut icon. In the pop-up, click on pin to taskbar. Now you will see a Gmail icon to the taskbar. Whenever you want to open Gmail using Vivaldi browser, click on this one icon. It will open in Vivaldi browser in a new tab on your Windows PC.